Connecting Supabase to N8N. In today's video, we are going to learn how to connect Supabase to N8N. So let's get started. First, open Supabase and go to Settings. Then Settings, click on Database and copy the host DB name, user and password. Now go to N8N and here add a PostgreSQL node to your workflow. Enter the credentials you copied and enable SSL. Test with a simple SQL query like mentioned. And that's how you can do it. You have also another method, and that is HTTP requested method. You have to go to Supabase and here you have to tap on settings. In settings you have to select API, then copy the API URL and an API key. Now go to N8N and add an HTTP request node. Set the method to GET or POST depending on your user case. Use your Supabase REST endpoint and add these headers. Now you are all done, and that's how you will be able to set up your Supabase to N8N.